Welcome back to the Marketing Stuff Podcast. And on this segment, we're going to focus in on marketing news, updates, and insights that could impact you and your business or brand. So whether you are a seasoned professional or a new business owner that's just looking for inspiration or information that could be impacting you, this show will have something for you. I'm your host, Maurice Davis, and I'll be your guide through these changes and insights. On today's show, we're going to be talking about the double down of short form video. Back in January 2023, HubSpot posted an article, and then recently Statista dropped a infographic that shares a little bit about how that change is coming. So 33% of marketers said that they will be doubling down on short form video in 2023. Another 11% said that they'll be doubling down on long form video. I thought it was really interesting that we also had a collection of individuals suggesting, about 7%, that said they were going to be focusing on interviews, podcasts, and expert panels. And then another 10% that suggested they'd be focusing on live audio and chat rooms like Clubhouse. So what does this mean for us as business owners and marketing professionals? Well, the truth is no medium is wrong. And whether you choose to double down on short form video, long form video, or podcast or long form audio, the thing that we have to realize is two pieces here. As more people jump into short form and creating TikTok videos, that means that there will be more content, which lets us know that we should be anticipating a reduction in reach on short form video platforms like TikTok. We may also see and should be expecting more short form video platforms to pop up. One that you may or may not be familiar with is, as an example, is Clapper. And then also, while this is not a short form video platform, but it is another social media competitor, Lemon8, these platforms are competing for the attention that these platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts are already getting. But as more marketers pay more attention to the short form video, that does leave opportunity for long form content like YouTube videos, live audio, and podcasts. You may be in a position where you are trying to figure out where to allocate your resources. You really want to be looking at what is happening in possibly some of these other places where you can potentially gain some authority and some additional reach, as maybe businesses will be looking at abandoning these other platforms. There are very few organizations and business owners that can do both or do multiple mediums really well. So I would keep an eye on how the trend of short form video content impacts the way that the production of the other content mediums are being produced, because that could be an opportunity for you to gain some audience share or attention share on those other mediums. Outside of that, stay out here winning, y'all.